unbox with me. I have 4 of these, but the others aren't mine, so I'm just gonna pick one. I don't do unboxings anymore, but this one is super cute. Like, look at that. I like this one because it's the same with this one. No? From the style, it's similar to Jellycat. I also got jasmine milk tea. I thought this was it na. Hindi pa pala. Haven't unboxed for a while because I'm over that era na. I also just got back home from dancing. I had 2 back-to-back classes. Akala ko ito na. Ako to! Oh my gosh! Gusto ko yung ano. I want this one, no. But it's okay lang. It's cute naman.
You're so plastic, Cherry.
Bilisan na! I-open yung iba! I want the blue one! I'm gonna open one more for my sister. This better be the one I like. Or else babalik talaga ako ng Chaji. I didn't get the one I like. It's okay. This one is cuter naman. I have 3 Chajis.